In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install RF Online Next on PC in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From your desktop, open up any web browser and go to epicgamestore.com. Once you are here, then from top right corner, click on download. Once its installer file downloaded, then click on it. After this, click on install. Once the installation process has been completed, then sign into Epic Game. After signing in, from left, click on store. Now click on search bar and type RF Online Next. Then click on the game and from right click on in library and here you will see RF Online Next. Just click on install. Then again click on install. Once it has been installed, then click on launch and then click on OK. Now click on install, then click on allow. Now click on install game, then click on start install. Once it's completed, then click on login and login. After this, click on run game. Now click on confirm to download the updates. Once it downloaded, then you can play RF Online Next. So that's how you can download and install RF Online Next on PC in just few easy steps.